Hey, just had a little problem with some kind of stabilizer bar breaking loose in the back, and luckily Darcy was following me at the time instead of being in front of me, and she noticed some sparks, so I had to get out and get a wrench and disconnect that and throw it in the storage compartment for now. We're still about 30 miles away from home. We're still by the ocean here. You can see the ocean over there on the other side of this cow pasture. Got a lot of the cow pastures around here. This is a nice little stretch. And on the other side of the cow pasture is a big cliff and then the ocean. That was kind of trippy. Got it home last night, couldn't film it because it was too dark. Got it temporarily in this little RV storage area. So my next order of business is to empty this thing out. There are so many things in it. I'm gonna take it all out and separate it, figure out what we need and what we don't need, and try to take the stuff that we do need and put it back in neatly so we have more room. So this was just a quick video of part of the ride home as viewed through the front window of the bus. I took a lot of footage and most of it didn't turn out very good, so I just took bits and pieces and threw them together here. I hope you liked it. I will have a second video coming out really soon of kind of a treasure hunt. There was so much stuff in the bus, in the luggage compartments, in all the cabinets, everywhere in the bus, that it was kind of fun just looking through and finding all the stuff that we got that we didn't even know that we had when we bought the bus. Well, I hope you liked this one. If you did, hit a like, share, subscribe. Support my channel if you can with PayPal or Patreon, all in the links below. And I hope to see you next time. Have a good one, guys. Adios.